I saw these American style pancakes at the store. I'm gonna check them out. They're kind of small, but at least they're thicker than Norwegian pancakes, which Norwegian pancakes look like crepes. This is a pancake. And I got my syrup here, a product of Canada, and some smør. The key to American pancakes is butter. That actually might be the key to everything in life. So I'm gonna do butter in between each layer. So butter, then pancake, then butter, then like that. Okay, see? Got my butter there, and on every level. Let's microwave. Yeah, that looks so good. Oh, got the melted butter. Time for the syrup. The trick with syrup is that if some is good, then more is better. Oh, that's like half the bottle. Oh, shit. Okay, was that a lot of syrup? Yes. But was it too much syrup? Well, that's between you and God. All right, here we go. These were really good. Oh my goodness, they were so good. See, and there's not too much syrup left over, you know? That was just the right amount.